Hello guys, today I'll show you why it is important to make group or make component. Okay, right click on it. Click on this one or this one, why it is important. In SketchUp Pro 2021. Example, I have this component. I draw this. It's different part. Okay, again, I will draw again. Okay, I press air or okay, P. Okay, so I draw this one. I use tape. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I draw another one. I use air. And I use P. Okay. Space to exit. Okay, I move this one. M. Move inside. You see? When you move, when you click not also it's, you see it's not good, yeah. Or you click all. Sorry. Or you click all. And then M. Move again. Okay, you move inside. Okay, and then space to exit. Use this. Okay, so when you want to move up or down or to move come out again, click on it. Okay. Oh no. And use M. See, it's the surface is mixed with the box, so you cannot move. Yeah. So what's to do? So I go back. So to do is you first make this component or group. It's up to you. Group, and then this also group. We right click, group. Okay, so it's only one. Yeah, it's only one. This is only one. So when you move again, okay, M, and I click move here. So yeah, it's different. So when you move out, M, see, that the reason you you should use my group or component. My group or component. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.